One of the fastest and easiest ways to improve your returns as a property investor is by making sure you're claiming every tax deduction available. And the truth is, most people don't. For example, did you know it's possible to go back and claim refunds for past tax years? If you missed deductions previously, your returns can be amended and you can receive a lump sum refund from the ATO. That's money sitting on the table that many investors never realise they're entitled to. You can also improve your cash flow immediately with a pay-as-you-go tax variation. This is where the ATO allows your employer to take out less tax from your pay. Instead of waiting until the end of the financial year for a refund, you get that money back in your pocket every payday. For some of our clients, this has even reduced their tax withheld to zero, giving them thousands of extra dollars across the year. And then there's the loan structure. With interest-only loans, you're paying just the interest. That means lower repayments, better short-term cash flow, and maximum deductibility. With principal and interest loans, you're paying down the debt, which builds equity, but less of your repayment is deductible. Neither is better or worse. It all depends on your goals, whether you still have a home loan, and if you're looking to grow your portfolio quickly. But getting these decisions right can mean thousands more in your pocket every single year. When we prepare tax and cash flow advice for clients, one of the most common questions is, how much debt is the right amount for investing? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your goals, income, and risk tolerance. A key measure we look at is the loan-to-value ratio, or LVR. For example, an LVR between 60 and 80% is considered moderate and is the most common for investors. Once you go above 80%, lenders often see it as higher risk and will usually add lender's mortgage insurance to the loan. For more practical strategies, explore our Learning Hub. And if you'd like to see how these apply to your situation, click Book Now and then Tax Strategy to get in touch.